Joan was a savvy real estate investor. She purchased a do-it-yourself will and left her rental properties to her sister Jill. Jill actually died before Joan, but the will did state that if this happened, that her brother John, Joan's brother John, would receive those properties. Jill actually left more rental properties to Joan. Joan never updated her will and did not specify what she wanted done with these additional rental properties. John assumed that because of the will and how specific it was, that everything was meant to go to him. Unfortunately, that's not the way it turned out. Because Joan did not update her will, some nieces came in and actually received those properties that she had not accounted for. Is this what Joan wanted? We'll never know. Please, if you do a will, update it and try to avoid the do-it-yourself route.